As of September 2025, the short answer is generally no. Spectrum primarily uses a hybrid fiber coaxial network. The coaxial cable is essential for delivering the internet signal to your modem. It carries radio frequency signals from Spectrum's network to your modem, which then decodes it into digital data. Without this coax connection, the modem won't receive the necessary signal to provide internet service. While Spectrum is exploring fiber to the home options in limited areas, coax remains the standard for most customers. Trying to bypass the coax entirely with methods like Ethernet from another provider won't work because Spectrum's signal is proprietary and RF dependent. Attempting this might also violate Spectrum's terms of service, potentially leading to service disruptions or fees. While you can't completely eliminate the coax cable for the modem's primary connection, here are some alternatives to minimize coax usage within your home network. First, Wi-Fi mesh networks. Use Spectrum's Wi-Fi 6 or 7 routers in a mesh configuration to extend your Wi-Fi coverage wirelessly, reducing the need for Ethernet cables to connect devices far from the router. Second, coax extensions and splitters. If your existing coax outlet is inconveniently located, use a coax extension cable or splitter to relocate the modem. Ensure the cable is high quality to minimize signal loss. Third, wireless bridging for advanced setups. In specific situations, you might use a point-to-point wireless bridge to connect a modem in one building to a router in another, avoiding a long coax run. But this is complex and not officially supported. Remember, these alternatives don't remove the core requirement for a coax connection to the Spectrum modem itself. They primarily address internal networking within your home.